Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. It's Malay Philippines. It's Wednesday morning and we're going to pick up our friend and we're going to send it to airport, and we're waiting right now a little bit.
Hi everyone, yes, we're waiting Alex. He going to Canada now, come back to home. And we're going to airport, Clark International Airport. And after airport we can meet with Georgi, and also we're going to another place together. Okay, thank you. You won't sleep. Last night Shaira been in the club, night club with her sisters. Ex name is Paddy. I will ask what name. She only come back to home maybe 4. I will ask now. Shaira, you been in club night time. What name of club?
What I
No, before Paddy's name. Now.
It's before Paddy's. It's already. Hello.
Oh, Alex. Yeah. Alex with big bag. So before, hi Alex, morning. Before you lost this big bag with your clothes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hi. We just finished take our friend to airport and we're going right now to Kyrgyz apartment and we're going to Angeles soon.
Yes, hi everyone again. We will go into Georgi apartment, pick up him, and we go into Landers. We will eat in Landers and shopping, and also I want to check prosecutor office. I want to ask what happened and why so long time in Landers. Landers parking.
Hi everyone, we're here already here in Landers and it's my first time also.
Also, Georgi is also
Yes.
first time. I'm not first time because before maybe our subscriber already watch video. I bought only card, membership card, and I not buy because I don't have time this time. And first time we going to Landers, also we can eat in Landers. Georgi. Oh, you already take so many
Huh?
watermelon. But why you need so many, Georgi?
No, it's not mine.
Shaira, take a look. Georgi already bought so many watermelon. Why you need so many? I know, Georgi, you going to the... Oh, it's papaya. So many papaya. You going to walking street and give to every girl.
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
Every girl.
Oh, it's you also, Georgi.
No.
Not? Not. Okay. Okay. Potato, oh, 200 peso. In Shaira, how much in our place? About 150. What you want to show?
Australian beef.
Australian
Yes.
for barbecue.
This. What else? Brazilian.
What do you think? It's good price. We can buy and barbecue in our place.
Yes, it's good. But if you want some
Not now. It's.
Not now, yes?
Yes. You need to cook fresh. So.
Okay. What Georgi want? Georgi want to buy
What is?
Maybe expensive.
It's not
Original.
No, not real.
Not real?
This price. It cannot be real.
Yeah, yes, it's not real. Of course.
Usually 1 gram costs €1
Mm-hmm.
if it's real. It's not real.
Yeah. This is restaurant. Landers restaurant. First time we going to this restaurant. Okay. Oh, also have pizza.
You
Yeah.
have this pineapple.
We
No?
don't have.
Don't have.
We don't. We have the roll up with pineapple inside. Like this one. It's pizza packet.
This?
No. It's look like yung pala.
You can see it.
This one is a chicken roll up, bacon with chicken and cheese inside. This one is stromboli, pepperoni and pepper, cheese. The best seller is this one.
It's like a stone. Georgi, you buy this one. Good.
But it's yummy.
Yes, only not this one. Original better.
It's not original.
I know, yeah. What Shaira we want? Pizza?
Margarita, the best seller.
Bestseller margarita.
And the pesto. This one is creamy shrimp.
Okay, Georgi, up to
This
you.
one is margarita with tomato with special kind of cheese. That's why it's the best seller.
But for me, better is
This one is pepperoni and Brooklyn Bomber. The difference between the two is the Bomber is
you can mix or not, cannot mix. Or if
we have a mixed flavor for bacon and pepperoni. Or bacon and cheese, pepperoni and cheese. Ito yung cheese, ma'am. Dining, ma'am.
Or dine-in.
margarita.
How many, ma'am?
Isa lang.
Thank you, daytime.
Five pa ba? Bakit lang din. And then,
Suggest ng soup.
And chicken
Hi,
roll.
sir. Good morning.
Chicken roll. Excuse me, is this cold or not cold? Do you have not cold? Not cold.
huwag daw lalagyan ng yelo.
Without.
Masyado po siyang matamis.
So it's so sweet if you not put ice little bit.
It's okay. Water, just only add water. Okay, one.
Dagdagan na lang ng... Tapos isang,
Not put ice, only water. Shaira, please.
huwag mo lalagyan ng ice. Yes, water lang.
Water only.
Dagdagan mo lang ng
You
water.
add water only, yeah.
Tapos isang lang.
So cola, so big cola, Shaira. Lemon. How much is 65 and this
85.
85? Okay.
Only yours.
What name of pizza, Georgi?
Pesto. And
Pesto?
shrimp. Pesto and shrimp.
With shrimp.
But did not give you this one?
No.
Because you have the roll, right?
Okay, wait.
They prepare together. Chicken rolls, yes?
Yes, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you. I think so many cheese inside.
Oh, big? Or what?
In SNR Shire same or not?
It's more.
More bigger in SNR? SNR 128?
In SNR bigger or smaller?
I think the same.
Same?
No, it's more in SNR. It's more have so many inside.
Inside so many meat, chicken. But here, no, okay, we can try.
Okay, cheese.
You can try first if it's what better for you.
Okay.
Very hard. I think in SNR more meat inside. But I want to see it here.
You need to taste it first.
Taste, yes. Taste. But what about pizza Shire?
For me, yes, it's so big, but I love from SNR because they serve some hot pizza and not so hard like this.
So in SNR for you better.
Yes.
Okay.